Chuck Schwartz. I've been with HUI for going on 15 years. It will be next month. I started out at HUI on the shop floor on the operational side of our business. I found myself in multiple roles out there doing both quality, lean, as well as cell coach positions, which are leading the fabrication cells. I thought I was going to find myself on the operations team and ended up taking the opportunity to join the sales team in 2015, and I've been the East Coast Director of Business Development for HUI since then. I think that HUI is a great place to work because it offers a lot of great opportunity for people that want to join our team. There's a lot of different career paths at HUI that you can pick, and there's opportunity to grow within the organization. So yeah, you could come into HUI, start out on the shop floor, but if you want to take and pursue something else, you're encouraged to do so, and we'll take and help you put together a plan to move forward down that path. I think that HUI is also a great place to work because it offers a very competitive benefits package. A lot of my friends and family members that I talk to in talking about health insurance, something as simple as that a lot of people don't really talk about, but I think that HUI offers a very competitive health insurance package, and I think that the vacation policy at HUI is second to none around our area and in comparison to other employers.